Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you this lovely Honda CR-V 2-litre VTEC. 2-litre, as I said, manual sport. It's an 0505, 3 owners from new, 77,000 miles, and listen to this, 8 service stamps. It's been serviced throughout its life, so really been looked after. So what I'm going to do first is take you around the outside of the car, then take you around the inside. So here we go. Oh, also it's a category N car. It's had the exhaust, or it had the exhaust stolen, and there's a new one put on. Okay, so take you down the line of the car first. Taking the wheels, tyres are, look how fabulous tyres on them. Wheels are all good. Again, taking in the tyre treads there, all good. It's just been serviced and it is going to be MOT'd. It's got an MOT on it, but I'll have a 12 months MOT with no advisories. Obviously here's the boot. Touches like that, I'm going to get a touch up what needs to be done. There's also a corner here that I'm going to touch up, but for the age of the car and so on and so forth, it's absolutely nothing crazy. Down the line of the car there. Now there is a cap there. This is the back passenger side door. There's a mark there, so just wanted to show you that. It's not, you take it out, you can't really see it, so just to let you know, I don't do grey area. There's a touch up there that needs doing, and I'll do that. So, sorry, taking the tyres, again, great tread there, and to be fair, they look like brand new tyres on the front. They've still got the knobbles on the tyres. So there you have it, 77,000 miles, 3 owners from new, nigh on full service history, i.e. 8 stamps. So what I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again, I'm back now. So what I'm going to do now is take you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. And look how nice this engine bay is. Just absolutely super. Absolutely lovely. As you can see, it's the I-VTEC 2-litre. Super. Right, driver's side front door card, electric windows, electric door mirrors, electric rear glass boot door, whatever you want to call it, 2 keys, sunroof, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, stereo, heating controls, central armrest, headrests all the way around, and sunroof. So don't forget, this is a sports model. Don't make any difference to the performance, but it's just that's this designation. 5 headrests, central armrests, 5 seat belts. Lovely to see. It's all still got the factory mats back and front. Tells you about the car. 3 owners from new. The people have looked after this car. So again, rear door card. Not bashed or trashed. Normally these, if they've been worked hard, these have been bashed and trashed. Again, the rear door seals, all nice and as it should be. Backs of the seats are good. It's got your mat there as well to save it. Passenger side rear door card. Again, electric windows all the way around. Nice door sills. The seats are all in good condition. Headlining, by the way, is all good. Passenger side front door card. It's got the books, the locking wheel nut, as you can see. Just an all-round nice car. If you need any further information on the car, please give us a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Give us a thumbs up on the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.